loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 healthy habits that every girl should be doing. Now, I try to do every one of these habits every day, and it has been very helpful and very effective, so I thought I would share these with you. But before I do that, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you guys never miss out on a video, and if you're already subscribed, go ahead and hit that little bell so you get a notification whenever I upload. Okay, now without further ado, let's talk about some good healthy habits. Habit number 1 is taking your vitamins daily. Now, a little tip and something that is very important to do before just taking random supplements is going to get your blood tested to see exactly what you're deficient in. I did this and I realized I wasn't really deficient in many things, and I was taking all these vitamins that were kind of unnecessary. But even before you go get your blood tested and seeing what you're deficient in, something that you can take right away is collagen, and this is a great thing that promotes hair growth. Now, you guys are very aware of my hair journey and how I've been trying to get my hair longer and healthier, and it's been like about a year and I've processed. So something I wanted to do is to test out a product to share it with you guys and to share my experience on how I like it, how it works. So I've actually teamed up with America's #1 collagen brand, NeoCell, to share with you my experience with the new NeoCell Gummy Glows. So right off the bat, I absolutely love that these gummies have clinically tested NeoCell collagen and biotin in it. It supports strong hair, and these are perfect for on the go. Now, I know remembering to take your vitamins on the daily can be quite a task. I forget all the time, but these are actually berry flavored, so these kind of feel like a little bit of a treat. Berry is the only flavor right now, but I'm totally okay with that because they taste like almost like candy, which is really, really nice. With the benefits of radiant hair and skin, so that is a plus. Oh, and I'll just quickly show them to you guys. They are just like a pink little, almost like a little gumdrop looking gummy, and they almost like are sugar coated. So they're very, very easy to remember to take, that's for sure. And I've actually been taking these for a little bit now, and I've been very impressed. I feel like my hair is thicker at the roots, my skin looks more radiant on the daily, and so that has been a huge plus so far. And I just like that it's a little bit more of a fun way to get your collagen in, because taking pills isn't fun. Chewing gummies definitely are, like, in my opinion. And I can't even begin to tell you guys how easy these are for a busy lifestyle. I keep them in my purse, I keep them in my carry-on bag, I keep them in a little baggie in my car. I've never been this consistent with collagen because they're literally so easy to like keep everywhere, so I have no excuse not to take them. Habit number 2 is drinking tons of water. Now, this is one of my New Year's resolutions, and I've been doing pretty well with it, but this is why it's still in here, because I am still working on it. It is a habit that everyone needs to be doing. Now, of course, we all know that drinking tons of water has a ton of benefits, but in case you need a reminder, it helps with, of course, hydration. It helps with healthy skin and a healthy body. It helps with weight loss and weight management, and it also helps with flushing toxins out of your body. So there are so many benefits. So I try to drink at least 3 of these a day, but I should be drinking even more than that. But my key to success with this is always carrying around a water bottle. I keep a water bottle with me at all times, so that way it's always in my hand, and I'm always like, yep, I need to drink my water. Like, I literally can't forget because it's literally glued to my hand. Habit number 3 is working out. That means, yes, you need to sweat once a day. Now, a lot of people say, well, I don't have the time to work out. If you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, turn on a YouTube tutorial and just do it in your house before you leave. I try to work out at least an hour a day. My favorite thing is Pilates and boxing. I actually like going to classes rather than the gym, but if you don't have time for that, at least do something at home. And we all know working out has so many benefits. It helps with energy levels, it helps with making you feel happier by releasing endorphins, and of course, it helps you reach your fitness goals. So make sure you sweat once a day. Do something once a day for yourself. Now, this may seem silly, but women by nature like to take care of people and things, and they sometimes forget to be selfish. So this is something that I've been trying to do lately, and I find it helps so much to do something for myself once a day. So whether it be running errands, going to the gym, reading a book, watching a show, cleaning out my closet, or just hanging out with friends, just doing something that I want to do once a day, and trust me, it feels so good to be a little bit selfish. It's not bad. It is not bad to want to do something for yourself, so just remember that. Just be a little bit more selfish. A little bit. Oh, we have made it to the last and final habit. Habit number 5 is to plan ahead. I absolutely love this habit. I have noticed a huge difference doing this, and you might be wondering, what exactly do you mean by planning ahead? Well, let me tell you. Every Sunday, I sit down, I plan out my workouts, I plan out my work schedule, I plan out filming days, I plan out everything. So that way I have a good idea what needs to be done in that week. This definitely helps me feel more prepared and less overwhelmed for when Monday rolls around. And then every night after I finish that day's to-do list, I sit down and I look at the next days. This again helps me feel prepared so that way I don't get overwhelmed for the next day's to-do list and I can adjust accordingly. This just helps me feel better about the next week, about the next day. I know exactly what's coming up and nothing is a surprise. So I highly recommend planning ahead. Like, I can only imagine, like, I just plan for myself and sometimes Sawyer, but he's on his own schedule. I can't imagine having to plan for a family and kids and all that. So if you are not planning ahead and planning out your week and your days, I highly recommend it. It helps so much. It is such a great habit to get into. And honestly, my planner is my best friend. I highly recommend getting a planner and I highly recommend this habit. Well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 healthy habits. Now, I realize some of these are a little bit simple, but even I forget to do them sometimes. It just happens. So it's nice to have that little reminder of good habits to be doing on the daily. They really have helped me, so I hope they help you guys out as well. And if you guys have any healthy habits that you guys recommend that you guys do, let me know down in the comments below. I always love hearing what works for you guys. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.